Did you know? You can change your phone's location anytime without getting caught. Whether you want to move freely in AR games or hide your location on social apps, there's an easy way to do it, with just one app. Most GPS spoofers require a computer, but iMoveGo's Android app works without a PC. Just your phone. Click the official download link below the video to get iMoveGo on your Android device. Follow the simple setup instructions, and you're all set. Right now, my GPS location is Tokyo, but watch this. I'll change it to New York in seconds. Just search for the location or long press the map, then tap Move. Boom! My location updates instantly. Even Google Maps and all other location-based apps now show my new position. Want to use it for Pokemon Go, Monster Hunter Now, or other location-based games? Turn on game mode first for the best experience. iMoveGo isn't just about teleporting. You can fake movement naturally with these advanced features. In navigation mode, iMoveGo will automatically plan routes for you. Adjust the speed of movement to simulate natural walking in other apps. If you select Multipoint Mode, set multiple points and iMoveGo will walk in order. This mode allows you to set your route according to your habits in a more natural way. Joystick Mode is a favorite among all gamers. This control panel allows you to control GPS movement in real time and go wherever you want. Want to see iMoveGo in action for Pokemon Go and other games? Check out the video in the upper right corner. No computer needed. Just download iMoveGo. Change your location directly on your Android phone and start exploring. Subscribe for more awesome tricks and see you next time.